Hey guys, hello everyone, welcome to my show. In this show, we're going to see the mentality of money series last episode 10, the importance of lifelong learning. Lifelong learning is the continuous acquisition of knowledge, skills, and competencies throughout life. It is an ongoing process of personal and professional growth that brings several key benefits and values. Adaptability and flexibility. Lifelong learning helps individuals adapt to an ever-changing world and remain flexible in the face of new challenges. This allows new knowledge and skills related to industry, technology, and social needs. Learners learn more about changing work, accepting new opportunities, and adapting to unexpected conditions. Personal growth and achievement. Lifelong learning promotes personal growth and achievement. It allows individuals to explore new interests, broaden their horizons, and receive intellectual stimulation. It encourages curiosity, creativity, and a sense of wonder, leading to a richer and more meaningful life. Lifelong learning encourages a growth mindset where people believe in their ability to learn and grow throughout their lives. Career development and advancement. Lifelong learning is essential for career development and advancement. It helps people stay ahead of industry trends, acquire new in-demand skills, and remain competitive in the job market. Lifelong learners are more likely to embrace innovation, adapt to changing job demands, and seize opportunities for career growth. Advanced problem solving and critical thinking. Lifelong learning develops problem solving and critical thinking skills. It encourages people to think analytically, critically evaluate information, and approach challenges with a creative mindset. Lifelong learners develop the ability to apply knowledge and skills in real-world situations, make informed decisions, and find innovative solutions to complex problems. Increased self-confidence and self-efficacy. Lifelong learning increases self-confidence and self-efficacy. By acquiring new knowledge and skills, people gain a sense of mastery and competence, which increases their self-confidence. Lifelong learners develop confidence in their ability to learn, adapt, and overcome obstacles, which increases their self-esteem and motivation. Sharing and socializing. Lifelong learning provides opportunities for sharing and socializing. It allows individuals to interact with peers, collaborate on projects, and participate in learning communities. Lifelong learners often attend courses, workshops, and educational groups that encourage social contact, networking, and the exchange of ideas. Personal empowerment and citizenship. Lifelong learning enables people to play an active role in society. It gives them knowledge and awareness about social, political, and environmental issues. Lifelong learners are better informed citizens, able to make informed decisions, participate in civic affairs, and contribute positively to their communities. Health and cognitive benefits. Lifelong learning is associated with improved cognitive function and overall brain health. Engaging in lifelong learning activities can slow cognitive decline, improve memory, and improve mental agility. Lifelong learning is also associated with improved emotional well-being, lower stress levels, and better quality of life. Lifelong learning is essential in a rapidly changing world. Promotes adaptability, personal growth, professional development, problem-solving skills, and social engagement. It empowers people, builds self-confidence, and helps in personal growth and meaningful life. Embracing lifelong learning is a mindset that embraces curiosity, growth, and the pursuit of knowledge throughout life. Thank you. You can also follow my Find Good Thoughts YouTube channel. Please subscribe for meaningful thoughts. Goodbye.